Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw Pikachu wearing a Santa hat. So let's get started. I'm actually going to start off with the Santa Claus hat first, and I'm going to work on the bottom of the hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this curved line like this. And it's going to have another line that runs parallel like that. And what I'm going to do is this Santa hat is actually going to be kind of at an angle on top of Pikachu's head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this rectangle off by drawing these two lines. So now I'm going to do a line that comes up like this at an angle. So we're going to do a line that's like this, a little short one, and then we're going to do one right here. It's going to kind of come up at an angle as well. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another curved line like this. And I'm going to draw one straight line coming down and a shorter straight line coming down. And I'm going to put a curved line at the end. So we're going to add a little fold in the Santa hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a wide V shape. So I'm going to add a line here and one that comes up at an angle. And we'll do a little curve line right here in the Santa hat. Now let's add the little pom-pom at the top of Santa's hat, which is going to be a ball or a circle. So I'm just going to do a circle. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to readjust my hand just so it's a little bit more comfortable. And I'm going to make a circle just like this. So now that I got the Santa hat, I'm ready to work on Pikachu's head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a small curved line like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve it out and back in. So this is going to be like the outside of his head, or the right side of his head. Now ideally I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to do a curved line like this. And I'm going to repeat that line to make the outside of his head. So now I'm going to move on to his ear. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a long curved line like this, and it's going to come to a point, kind of like a skinny V shape, a little bit more rounded than a V though. And I'm going to do another one coming from the bottom. And we'll draw his mark that he has on his ear. So this will be black. And now we're ready to work on his face. So I'm going to do a circle here. And a circle here. And inside those circles, we're going to add a reflection by just drawing a little circle on the inside. And Pikachu has this little tiny upside down triangle nose. And for his mouth, or his lip above his mouth, it's going to be like a wide W. And for the bottom of his mouth, we're going to do a U shape. And we'll add his tongue by just doing a curved line inside, right in the middle. And that's going to be his mouth. Now feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to catch up or if you need to use the video as a reference. That's okay too. Now Pikachu actually has these two red circles on his cheek. Now we're going to do the other red circle on his cheek by doing a half circle. Oh, you know what? And we can't forget his ear that comes out from the back of the hat. So I'm going to do a wide V. Like this. And we're going to give him his little black mark on his ear. So now we've got his head and his face and his Santa hat. So let's move on to his body. Real quick, did you know that in Japan, Pikachu is like a superhero of Pokemon? It's so popular that it even has its own parade in a place called the Pokémon Center. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. So he's going to be sitting down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a curved line coming out like this, and a curved line coming out like this, but I'm going to start it right about here. And we're going to do that on the other side. So we're going to do a short curved line here. And coming from his cheek, we're going to go a long curved line. So those are going to be his front legs. Now for his fingers, I'm just going to do these tiny U shapes. And I think he has 5. So again, I'm just drawing these tiny U shapes for his fingers. We're going to draw a line in between his hands. Now for his legs, I'm going to do a curved line coming from here and a curved line here. And for his feet, they're going to be pointing up. So we're going to do like a skinny N. Like this. And for the bottom of his feet, we're going to do a U. Now, we're going to imagine this line that's going to come all the way through to the bottom of his feet. And now we're going to add his toes. And all we're going to do is just kind of divide up these C shapes with some lines. He's got 3 toes. So I'm just drawing these straight lines. Like that. We can't forget his tail. Since his tail is going to be behind him, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a curved line. And I'm going to draw a straight line coming down. So his tail is like a lightning bolt, right? So since it's behind him, we're just going to show little parts of his tails. And what we're going to do is we're just going to do these triangle shapes or these sideways V shapes. And then we'll do another one, but a little bit smaller. So now we've got the outline of Pikachu wearing a Santa Claus hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this time to color it in with some marker and some colored pencils. Feel free to use anything you like to color with. Take your time. That's the most important part about the drawing. Have some fun, and we'll be right back. And this is my Pikachu wearing a Santa Claus hat. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed creating just as much as I did. Really take your time to color because that's what makes your drawing special. That's what really adds the details and really makes it pop. So I hope you guys took your time. I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you like and subscribe for the next one. And I'll catch you guys later.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.